Building an e-commerce website doesn't have to be complicated, and with Wix, it's easier than ever. Wix offers a user-friendly platform packed with features that make creating a professional online store a breeze. Whether you're launching your first shop or upgrading an existing one, Wix provides the tools you need to design, manage, and grow your e-commerce business easily. In this review and tutorial, I'll walk you through everything from setting up your store to customizing it for maximum sales. By the end, you'll have a beautiful online shop ready to track customers and make sales. To get started with Wix and follow along, make sure to use this link down in the description for Wix. Once you guys click that link, you should be brought to a page that looks like this. As you can see, we can start selling online. All we have to do is enter in an email address and we can start for free with no limited trial. We'll simply enter in our email address, hit the Start Now button, which will then take us into this page where we can then sign up, choose a password, confirm our password, and we're ready to go. While Wix allows you to explore the platform for free, you'll need to upgrade to one of their e-commerce plans to unlock the full range of features, including online payment processing and inventory management. Wix e-commerce plans are designed to scale with your business, offering benefits like unlimited bandwidth, a custom domain, and advanced tools for managing orders and payments. Once you've signed up, Wix will guide you through a simple onboarding process where you can specify the type of website you're creating. You can select online store as your category, and Wix will automatically suggest features and templates tailored to your needs. Next, it's time to choose a template. Wix offers hundreds of professionally designed templates, and they even have a dedicated section for e-commerce. You can browse through the options and select a template that aligns with your brand and the type of products that you're selling. For example, if you're launching a fashion boutique, you might choose a sleek minimalist design. On the other hand, if you're selling handmade crafts, a more colorful and playful template might suit your style. The best part is that Wix templates are fully customizable, so you can tweak the layout, colors, fonts, and images to match your brand identity perfectly. If you're not sure where to start, Wix's artificial design intelligence can create a personalized template for you by asking a few questions about your business. Once you've selected your template, you'll be taken to the Wix editor. This is where the magic happens. The drag and drop interface makes it easy to customize every element of your website without needing any coding skills. You can add text, images, videos, and buttons by simply dragging them into place. Start by updating the homepage, which is usually the first thing that visitors will see when they land on your website. Add a compelling hero image or banner that showcases your best-selling products or highlights a special promotion. Make sure to use clear and engaging headlines to attract attention and guide visitors to take action, such as exploring your blog or signing up for your newsletter. The next step is adding your products to your store. Navigate to the Store Products section in the dashboard and click Add Product. For each product, you'll need to upload high-quality images, write a detailed description, and set the price. Product descriptions should be clear, concise, and focused on the benefits of the product. Instead of just listing features, explain how the product solves a problem or enhances the buyer's life. For example, if you're selling a water bottle, don't just mention that it's a stainless steel water bottle. Highlight that it keeps drinks cold for 24 hours, helps reduce single-use plastic waste, and much more. Wix allows you to organize your products into categories such as new arrivals, best sellers, or on sale, making it easier for customers to navigate your store. Wix also lets you add product variants such as different sizes, colors, or materials. This is especially helpful if you're selling apparel, accessories, or customizable items. For digital products like ebooks or online courses, Wix makes it easy to upload files that customers can download immediately after purchase. You can even add subscription options if you're offering a recurring service or membership. If you want to build trust with your customers, consider enabling reviews and ratings on your product pages. This feature is included in the Wix app market and can boost credibility. Once your products are uploaded, it's time to set up payment methods. Wix integrates with a variety of payment methods, including PayPal, Stripe, and Wix Payments. Wix Payments is pretty convenient. It allows you basically to accept credit cards, debit cards, and other payment methods directly through your website without needing third-party accounts. To set up payments, go to your Settings tab in your dashboard and click on the Payments tab. Make sure to follow the prompts to connect your payment provider and configure your settings. Offering multiple payment options is crucial for reducing abandoned carts and ensuring a smooth checkout experience. For your customers, you can even enable buy now, pay later services like Afterpay to give customers more flexible payment options. Shipping is another critical component of your e-commerce setup. Wix provides a robust shipping management system that allows you to set shipping dates, refine delivery regions, and even offer free shipping promotions. To configure your shipping settings, go to the Settings tab and select Shipping and Fulfillment. Here, you can choose between flat rate shipping, weight-based shipping, or real-time carrier rates, specifically from providers like USPS, UPS, and FedEx. If you're selling digital products, you can skip this step entirely. For international sellers, Wix also supports cross-border shipping, making it easier to reach customers around the globe. Additionally, Wix's automated tax calculations help simplify compliance with regional tax laws. After setting up payments and shipping, it's time time to fine-tune your website's design. Wix's website editor gives you full control over the look and feel of your website. You can customize your color scheme, choose your own fonts, and also upload your own logo to create a cohesive and professional appearance. Make sure to pay special attention to the navigation menu, as this will play a key role in helping customers find what they're looking for. Make sure to include links to important pages like Shop, About Us, Contact, and FAQs. If your store has large inventory, consider adding a search bar or drop-down menus to make browsing easier. For added visual appeal, you can include image galleries or video sections that showcase your products in action. One of Wix's standout features is its app market, which offers a wide range of tools and integrations to enhance your e-commerce store. For example, you can install apps for email marketing, live chat, customer reviews, and social media integration. The Wix Stores app is particularly powerful, as it adds advanced functionality like automated tax calculations, abandoned cart recovery, and inventory tracking. These tools can help you streamline your operations and improve the shopping experience for your customers. For example, the abandoned cart recovery feature sends automatic reminders to the customers who left items in their cart, encouraging them to complete their purchase and obviously finish the order. Make sure you use Wix built-in SEO tools. Go to the SEO tools section in your dashboard and follow the step-by-step guide to optimize your site's meta titles, descriptions, and keywords. Search engine optimization is essential for driving organic traffic to your store, so take the time to research relevant keywords for your industry and incorporate them into your product pages. Wix also allows you to set up a custom URL for each page, making it easier for search engines to index your site. Additionally, Wix's mobile optimization ensures that your site loads quickly and looks great on any device, which is a critical factor for search engine optimization. Before launching your website, preview it on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure it looks great and functions smoothly. Wix's templates are fully responsive, meaning they automatically adjust to different screen sizes. It's always a good idea to double check. Test the checkout process, navigation links, and contact forms to make sure everything is working correctly. If you notice any issues, fix them before going live to provide the best possible experience for your customers. When you're ready to go live, upgrade to a premium e-commerce plan if you haven't already. Wix's e-commerce plans come with really great benefits like unlimited bandwidth, a custom domain, and priority customer support. Connecting a custom domain is a crucial step in building credibility and making your store easier to find online. You can purchase a domain directly through Wix or connect one that you already own. Once your store is fully set up and live, the real work begins, actually promoting it. You can do this through a variety of different ways, whether it's email campaigns, social media integrations, or even ad creatives. These all work, but it takes consistency and showing up every single day and putting the work in to see results. As you can see here, we're inside of Wix right now. It's very easy to show how to set this thing up. Again, we can skip most of the questions that they're going to ask us about our storefront. We don't really have to worry too much about those in the first place. We can hit the skip button here. We can say we want to create an online store and then hit the continue button. It'll kind of give us basically a pre-prep dashboard depending on the actual preferences we ended up choosing. Plus it will kind of tailor things more towards what we're looking for. We're officially inside of the Wix store. As you can see, we can set up our store. We'll enter in our store name. We'll just call it My Store. We'll hit the continue button. We'll then say whether or not we already have an online store. We'll say no, we're just starting. Hit the continue button. We'll say that we're selling physical products, but you can say that you're drop shipping or selling digital products. And then you can say how we're offering the products, whether it's in person, online, mobile app. We'll say that it's an online store. Once we've done all of that, we'll then continue to the dashboard, which will then be perfectly optimized for our online store. We can set up our custom domain, add our first product inside of the products tab, mess around with some of our inventory, go over to categories and create categories for our products, and then mess around with any of these other tabs. There's also the getting paid tab. This is really important to set up. This is how you're actually going to be starting to accept your payments. You'll click the connect payment method if you want to collect the payments, and then also make sure that you can request payments. You can win more with clients with price quotes, sell on your website, or sell in person. There's also invoices and a couple of other helpful tips. Then there's also the actual design of your website, which you can click here, which should take you to their website designer. You can either do this with artificial intelligence or use a template. As you can see, they have a bunch of different templates that you can choose from, all of them beautifully designed and perfectly curated depending on the type of store you're trying to build. Once we hit the edit button, it should take us to this page where we can start editing on the Wix website editor as well. And then as you can see, this is all super easy to edit. We can mess around with all of this and pretty much drag and drop anything that we're thinking of as far as creativity is concerned. And that's pretty much it. We then hit the publish button in the top right here or the save button and we're good to go. If you guys want to get started with Wix, make sure you use the link down in the description. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and I can't wait to see you guys in any of our future videos. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And remember, any of the links down in the description are affiliate links and they do go towards supporting videos just like this one. So thank you for your support, but I'll see you guys in the next video.